Just enough time for a quick update on now Typhoon, at least according to the Japan Meteorological Agency. They have this as a Typhoon Opong. Still a severe tropical storm according to Pagasa, and I would lean more towards what Pagasa is saying right now. This continues to struggle a bit on shear on the northeastern periphery of it, so you're not seeing kind of that clear low-level defined circulation. There's no eye out of it, but still a potent storm system and still going to be a big rainmaker here across parts of Samar, the Bicol region, and yes, even over towards Manila as we go ahead into tomorrow. For now, though, still packing a bit of a punch here along the coast. Even Tacloban's going to be looking at some heavy rainfall as it comes on shore overnight, heading here into our early Friday morning. So right now, recording this about 6 p.m. on your Thursday evening. So heading in overnight into Friday morning where it's going to be making that landfall. Big rainmaker, though. I mean, look at just the ECMWF guidance, and yeah, most of Samar seeing 100 to maybe 300 millimeters. So this is why yesterday I was saying, even if the track was a little bit further towards the north, the heaviest of the precipitation where the bulk of that convection is likely further towards the south. So this is going to extend across Masbate over towards Mindoro, and with this a little bit nudge towards the south might bring Manila kind of out of the worst of the rainfall, but I wouldn't say completely. But maybe the worst of this could be from like Tagaytay south and definitely across the northern half of Visayas. So it really depends on how this organizes, but at least for the time being, looks like the bulk of the convection kind of edged further towards the south here, which seems to be often the case. I mean, so many times we've seen these storms kind of edge south of where the model guidance actually indicates. So always keep that in mind. It's a model bias. We always get kind of drawn into this this end result. Anyways, a signal force 3 has been put up by Pagasa. I don't like using this graphic, but I have been because y'all love it. I mean, I get it, but it just because of the fact that 24 hours ago it was Signal Force 1, and I don't want people to think that only Signal Force 1 would be issued. So now we got a Signal Force 3. I feel like it lets people's guard down. For example, Metro Manila probably only is going to get the 1 to 2. You're not going to expect the 3 to cascade over towards your direction. So there still is a level of forecasting needed and involved when looking at an official warning map. Anyways. So I digress. So big rainmaker for a good portion of a size, potentially over towards Manila as we go ahead into our Friday as well. And we look at the bigger picture. Looks like our other storm system, Regasa, has completely weakened out, and so is Nagori, racing off towards the north and east. As always, stay safe out there, friends. Like I said, a quick update. I'm about ready to go to work. I got stuff to do on the other side of the world because we are tracking multiple tropical systems in the Atlantic. So stay safe out there.